Hello everyone, I've gotten several questions about our 30-minute free consultations. So I thought let's just make this video to answer some of those questions, to go over the process and discuss a few other details. So let's start with the process. Let's say you see this video, you see an ad, you've been thinking about estate planning and you don't know where to start. You don't want to commit to anything because you don't really know how it works, you don't know how much it costs. So this 30-minute free consultation may be the ideal solution for you. So let's talk about the process. You give us a call, 405-857-8231, and say, Mona, I'm calling to schedule my free consultation. Great, we'll set a time. I will email you our intake form, which is not very long. It is just a great way for you to get organized, to start thinking about estate planning options such as who do you want in charge, who should maybe be taking care of your minor kids, how will your money and assets be distributed, and the type of assets that you have. That way, when we meet for our 30 minutes, we spend the time focusing on your specific situation and not just generally addressing estate planning instruments and processes. So now let's talk about results. At the end of the 30 minutes, you will have a very good base on what you need to do next, or where you are, what options are out there to achieve your goals based on what's important to you, based on your family situation, and of course on your budget. Before you come up with excuses, it's just 30 minutes. I cannot think of a better way to spend 30 minutes than talking about your situation, talking about how your assets work with your family, with your plans for the future. What happens if you become incapacitated, if you become unable to make decisions? What happens when you die? How does that all work? The thing about estate planning is you either work on it now and you talk about it and you make arrangements now, or when something happens, your family will have to do that. Trust me, it's a lot more expensive and time-consuming to handle matters, issues, after something has happened than to plan for it. Then there is no commitment. At the end of the 30 minutes, we shake hands and part ways. If you are ready, or if you are interested in using our services for your estate planning needs, we will schedule a follow-up appointment or even start drafting an estate plan right then and there. Or if you need to think about some more, or if you need to talk to your spouse, or if you need to shop around a little more, you're welcome to do so. You don't have to pay us anything. We're not going to call you every day to ask. It's just a win-win for all of us. So how is this a win for me if you come in and you schedule a 30-minute free consultation? Good question. I get to meet you. I learn more about the community, about the needs, about the questions and worries they have about estate planning. You may know I also teach classes at the Well twice a month, and it has been an amazing experience and opportunity for me. Meeting the community and talking to people about their worries, about estate planning, putting people at ease when they talk about delicate matters such as death and incapacity. So yes, this is also helpful for me. It is time well spent for me as well. 30 minutes of my time to get to talk about something that I'm passionate about. And of course, with the hope that you may come back to see me, maybe for your plan, or maybe down the road for any family members, or you may tell your friends or your neighbors about the amazing opportunity and experience you've had with us. Now let's talk about some of the questions you may have about these 30-minute free consultations. One, when can you schedule? How soon can I see you? Give me a call. I usually try to limit them to 2 times per week. So only 2 people can take advantage of this per week. Probably I'll have something available next week or the week after that. It depends the day you call. It depends on our schedule. Then, is it truly free? You don't have to pay anything. It is truly free. You don't have to pay anything. As we talked about, it's a win-win situation. Happy to offer my time to you and your family, and I also have benefits from our session. Do you have to bring your spouse with you? And the answer is no. Ideally, if your spouse is available It's great that we can all hear the same information and we can ask questions, but if your spouse is working or not interested in estate planning, you're welcome to come on your own, and then later on when you're ready to proceed, we'll talk about involving your spouse in the planning session. So give me a call and let's schedule your free session. Only 2 slots available per week, so don't wait. If you think a group setting will be more beneficial for you and your family, consider attending one of our in-person educational events at the Well twice a month. Check our website, check the Well's website for the class schedule and for the next available dates. Thank you for watching and see you soon.